I'm Dr. Michael Haley. In this video, we're gonna, well, make some lemon juice and put some bananas and apples in the juice and then throw them in the dehydrator, make some banana chips, apple chips, and, well, let's get to work. I'm using a Zulay juicer to make the lemon juice, and you know, I actually wanted to get the one from TriBest. It was the TriBest, the XL, and that has to do with the cup size here for putting bigger fruit in it, but they were unavailable, so I got the Zulay, and I must admit I'm pretty impressed. This little unit does pretty darn well at juicing citrus. And I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Right now I see them priced for around $100. It just so happens at the time I got it, it was, I think, $79, so you might be able to find it for less than $100. The one from TriBest is literally like $250 for the XL model, or there's a regular one for, I don't know, maybe $199. What I do like about the TriBest over this one, this piece here, on the TriBest, it's like on the side and goes round and round, whereas one thing I noticed that we do on this is sometimes we forget it, we leave it in the up position, and that happens when it doesn't have the lemon in it, and it's kind of heavy, you know, but my kids love this juicer. They can go through some oranges and some grapefruit. I have a little squirrel at the window. And maybe one more will be enough. And if I make too much, I'll just put it in my green tea. I'm gonna make a nice big batch of loose leaf green tea today. Put some lemon juice in it and a little stevia to sweeten it up just a bit. Comes out like lemonade. Now, another thing I like about the TriBest model is there's a little cup that swings around to catch the juices, because as soon as I take this away, if I don't put something under it, it's just going to be dripping all over the counter. But let me see how much juice I have here. Actually, I think I'm going to use all of this for bananas and apples. Okay, cleanup is pretty easy. This comes out, these two pieces. That's all you have to clean, really. And you'll give a wipe underneath here because that came in contact with the lemons. If you dripped any juice in there, you can wipe in there. But for the most part, cleanup is simple. And this is what I'm talking about. One of the things I don't like about this, now that nothing's in there, if I swing this down, you see it hits pretty hard. It's kind of heavy. But it's a nice unit. Makes some good juice. And let's see. It's the Zulay, and I got this one on Amazon. It's a very heavy unit, solid steel, I guess, with some aluminum parts, but okay, let me get this out of the way.